8.5 pounds ham. And they got this little plastic thing in there. I don't imagine this is going to stay on, but anyway, I put it on there. And I'm going to pour the juice in there with the water too. And I'll be adding more water to this as well. I wonder how many rings are in here. Oh, that one didn't come out. Full. More piece right in there. That should hold it. Well, maybe I should put 2. I'm just adding some warm water to this. 4 cups of water just to get it a little past the grate there. But the ham will have some water in it too, so when you start looking, that water will probably go up higher. But you can check it along now. Now time to put it in the oven. That's going in for at least 3 hours. It's been 3 hours and 20 minutes, and I did take the cover off, so I'm going to let it brown for a while. Like for maybe half hour. Ooh. The lens got foggy there for a second. But that's what it looks like 3 hours and 15-20 minutes in. Another 15 minutes and it'll be done. That's 3.5 hours. See, I had it uncovered so this would brown a little bit in there. Since we're taking it for a supper, like family supper, I got to take the water out of it. Okay, I want to take a picture of that now.